Okay, so I just single pin picked the 140 4119 BC, and now I'm going to try, and I then found the tension wrench, and now I'm going to try to pick the 140 Master Lock 140 3919 BC. And just to mention this, I haven't forgot that I said I would pick this Brinks. I just don't know how to do that yet. So, sorry about that, folks. But I haven't forgotten. That video will be made eventually. I just bit off more than I could chew when I said I'd pick it. Now, I'm pretty sure this is the one I spent half an hour on the other day and didn't get open. So, if I can't SPP it, I do think I'm going to use this rake, just for reasons, because I actually want to upload this video. I also figured I might as well upload this for Stock Lock Sunday. Oh dear. Really don't want to ruin this one. And it's, yeah. Great. Bending that back's going to be a nightmare. If I can even do it. Let's, no, okay, that one actually fits a little bit better. Great. Gotta make some more tension bars. Or wrenches. One's completely loose, just like the previous lock. Let's count this out a little bit better. For that matter, I'm used to using bottom to keyway tension. Let's try that. Although I'm probably going to find out that was the issue previously. That's not the best timing now, is it? Nothing on one. I think I either set or overset two just now. We'll pop out of 3. How were these so hard last time? Let's try not to have the tension bar go flying. This one was even faster. Okay, guess I'm just having a much better picking day today. Thanks, folks. Hope everyone's having a great Sunday, assuming this was released for Stock Lock Sunday. And I'll see you in the next one. Kind of. Bye.